So the Scrum team as a whole, this includes the developers and any members of the development team, in addition to the product owner and the Scrum Master. So now we're going to talk about the whole Scrum team. And again, the Scrum teams do the work. So the team members do the work. They define the work, meaning they take the tasks that are in the backlog, the stories that are in the backlog, and they break them down into buildable, deliverable, very well understood user stories. And they do this in conjunction and in collaboration with the product owner. They build the solution, meaning they make it executable, they test it, and they deliver the work. The Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process. So almost like a coach, is in charge of resolving impediments. So any blockers or issues the team has, the Scrum Master takes the lead, owns getting those impediments resolved. Scrum Master may not have the skill set to resolve the impediments, but can at least own the task to get them resolved. Focuses the team, does not allow work injection from any outside sources, focuses the team on the sprint plan, getting the work done, and he or she serves the team. The product owner is the voice of the customer, prioritizes the sprints, prioritizes the backlog, works with the team, answers questions. So even if a user story is broken down, there still may be some questions. In traditional type of waterfall, quite often if a developer or a team had questions, they would just give it their best interpretation. Well, in Scrum, we have the voice of the customer, or the representative of the customer on the team. So the product owner will deliver the information to build the product correctly. The product owner accepts the work and approves releases. So a Scrum team member defines the work, so breaks the work down, decide what to achieve. So in collaboration with the product owner and the business, decides how to break down and form each of the user stories, and also obviously has the skill sets to deliver the product. A lot of attention is given to breaking work down into what they call unit stories. So still usable, still deliverable functionality, but very small jobs go through the system much faster. They attend the Scrum meetings. So we already talked about the sprint planning. We talked about the daily stand-up. We talked about the sprint review. And we discussed the sprint retrospective. So all of those meetings, the Scrum team members attend all of those and contribute. Estimate the work. And we talked a little bit about estimation, but every user story has an estimation. The team obviously completes the work and validates it, tests it. And this is a number that's often used. This number is in a lot of documentation, so it's good to know. Scrum teams are usually numbered 5 to 11, but be very careful. That's a very soft number.